Friends. 1. How important are friends to you? Friends are incredibly important to me. They provide support, companionship, and understanding, making life more meaningful and enjoyable. 2. Do you often go out with your friends? Yes, I enjoy spending time with my friends and often go out together for various activities, such as dining, watching movies, or exploring new places. 3. Where do you often meet each other? We often meet at cafes, restaurants, parks, or each other's homes. It depends on the occasion and our preferences for the day. 4. What do you usually do with your friends? With my friends, we engage in a range of activities. We have deep conversations, share stories, and have fun doing things like playing games, going on day trips, or attending events together. 5. Do you have a friend you have known for a long time? Yes, I have a friend I've known for many years. We have a strong bond and have shared numerous experiences and memories over time.